What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BNGO stock. First of all, brief information about this company. Bionano Genomics is a life science instrumentation company which focuses on genome analysis space. The firm engages in the development and marketing of Saphyr system, a platform for ultra-sensitive and ultra-specific structural variation detection that enables researchers and clinicians to accelerate the search for new diagnostics and therapeutic targets and to streamline cytogenetics. And this is their website, this is their Saphyr system. And as you can see, it says optical genome mapping using Saphyr reveals what's missing in your research. Rapidly identify genome variation like never before with the high throughput Saphyr system. And since my previous video, by the way, all the links you will find in the description below, we have some news. First of it was published on February 22nd, and it says Bionano published method for identifying genes likely to cause neurological diseases based on model developed by Gen to improve interpretation of variants of unknown significance. The second one was published on February 25th, and it says Bionano Saphyr data proof essential in creating the most comprehensive, ethnically diverse collection of genome variation ever completed. So, I will put all the links in the description below, and you might read it by yourself. And in my opinion, this is a great news. You have to think about it like this. This company invents this system. It's very disruptive in their area, and now they are trying to make new research with this system, and they try to enhance their researches or researches others companies in some genome sphere, and that's why I think they will be successful in future. It's just a matter of time. Of course, they don't have good fundamentals. They are decent but not so amazing. Total market cap for now is $3.04 billion, and they have a gross profit of $2.69 million with a revenue of $7.3 million. Their total cash is $18.87 million with a total debt of $16.01 million, and they have negative net operation cash flow. It's negative $35.59 million. So it's quite obvious for the company that invented this system, and they doesn't have any sales for now, as far as I know. Of course, after this drop in price of around 50%, we have different types of articles according to this company. And on Investor Place, we can see the article that was published on February 25th, and it says Bionano Genomics stock is crashing for a reason. And one of the reasons it is Reddit users, Reddit effect, and it says but the real action started once retail investors on Reddit started talking about Bionano. And I think that is one of the reasons of their huge growth from December to February. But we also have this article. It was published on February 26th on Yahoo Finance, and Jason McCarthy was an early champion of cytogenetics specialist while the company was still flying under the radar. And it says that this platform is in early stage of its usage, and its potential is only starting to be recognized. And all in all, McCarthy rates BNGO a buy along with a $14 price target, and it is an upside potential of 39%. And here is McCarthy's rate. He's ranked number 23 out of more than 7,000 analysts, and he has a success rate of 61% and average return of 60%. And I think it's a good. He's a good analyst, of course. He's very knowledgeable, and that's why we have this picture among institutional investors. So all the green lines means that these companies they are opening their positions. All the red lines means that they are closed their positions. And let me show you all the sellers and all the buyers of this company. First of all, sellers. And as you can see, recent sell-offs from beginning of February was rather big stakes. They sold 470,000 shares. Citadel Advisors closed their position of more than 42,000 shares. I don't think it is a great numbers of the sell-offs. And let me compare it with the buyers. Here is latest buys, and as you can see, for example, on February 24th, Bank Julius Baer from Zurich, they bought almost 850,000 shares, and it's more than $2.5 million. Pura Vida Investments bought for more than $6,500. I think it is the sign that institutionals are still buying this share, and as for me, I believe in this company, and I think this company will disrupt this market. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and if you like my video, please hit the like button. It helps me a lot and you won't miss my next video. So my previous video was right before this breakout. I've told you that this last leg it's quite risky trade, and after the breakout I encourage you to put your stop loss at the entry price, and basically it is what it is. We hit our stop loss and broke even. So maybe some of you might even take profit, but according to my prediction, we've just broke even. I encourage you not to invest in this company all the way from, I think, the end of January. And here is why I did it. As you can see, it is a relative strength index, and it was extremely overbought since the beginning of January. And it's basically it's scraping the sky of more than 96, 97 points. As you can see, 98, even 98, and it was the worst point to invest in this company, and basically I was right because of this 50%, almost 50% sell-off, recent sell-off. And let me show you interesting thing. Here is Fibonacci retracement tool. I pull it from the bottom, as you can see, to the top of the wave, and as you can see, we've hit exactly 0.5 level and bounce back, and this means it might be a rather healthy retracement, and it was a good entry point to accumulate position to invest in this company. But I think not many of people who enter their position right here on February the 23rd, and I think for now it is a good time to start to accumulate your position with this company. Let me show you one more thing. Here was our sell-off, and I think it should be something like ABC correction, and I don't think that here we have a B wave. I think it might be a little bit higher, and then we might have another leg to the downside. And I don't know for now how deep we will have this movement to the downside, but we can have even double bottom, or we can have truncated C wave. It might be totally okay to have this type of correction. And the second assumption that we might have something like this, and but nevertheless we can start to accumulate position, because we've already hit the 30, 39, almost 40% discount for this company. And if you have done your own due diligence, if you believe in this company and want to invest, this is the points where you can start to accumulate your position. So I think we might have a small leg to the upside, but you can start to accumulate with the fraction of your money right here at the opening hours. And then, as usual, with the downtrend, potential downtrend, it's possible that we might have a huge sell-offs. You can see all markets are bleeding right now, and that's why your next entry point might be at the 0.5 level, and next one will be at the golden pocket at 0.618 and 0.65 levels. And here we have earnings report, and it should take place on March the 18th, and from this point I think we might have a pivot point. I don't know where will be the price at this date, but nevertheless from this point we might have some news, and personally I don't think that this news might be outstanding, and I don't think that it will change something drastically. Nevertheless, for the long-term company, I think it is a great company to invest in, and I think these levels are good levels to accumulate your position. And that's it for now. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and if you like it, please hit the like button. It helps me a lot. And see you next time. Bye.